Hello, my name is Dr. Sandeep Mendiratta, and I'm a staff psychiatrist at Ventre Medical Associates and also a clinical researcher with Research Centers of America, and I'm also the chairman of the Department of Psychiatry at Broward Health, Imperial Point. Today we're going to be talking about depression. Depression is a very debilitating illness that throughout people's lifetimes can affect 1 out of 5 people. Today we're going to be talking a little bit about the illness and also tips with how to cope with it. Tip number 1 is that there is help for depression. One of the preconceived notions is that depression is sometimes a sign of character weakness, and that is not true. Studies have been done, and over time we have found that depression is a medical illness and also a clinical illness such as diabetes, high blood pressure, and heart disease. So there is help out there, and the first stop would be to see your primary care doctor, even a psychiatrist or even a therapist that can further explore these issues and give you an appropriate diagnosis. Tip number 2 is going to be exercising and eating healthy. Of course, that's something we hear about every day, but in depression, whether you or a loved one is fighting depression, this is something that is really going to help you. Let's start with exercise. Exercise is something that actually releases the feel-good chemicals in your brain, which can actually battle depression. In terms of eating healthy, coming up with food sources such as omega-3 fatty acids, which is found in seafood, has been implicated to help in depression, and also looking at folic acid such as spinach, avocados, that can also be very helpful in terms of fighting depression. Tip number 3 is don't isolate yourself. Depression is an illness that a lot of times people find it so hard to get out of their beds and face the day. One of the things we really need to look at is make that point to actually spend time with family, friends, and to make sure to not miss out on social activities, as this will also help in fighting your depression. Tip number 4 is about medications. If your provider does prescribe you medications, it's going to be very important to be compliant with these medications. Even doing something as setting a reminder on your phone, having family members remind you, even associate medications with certain meals that you take as part of your routine is going to be very helpful to also further battle your depression. If you found this video helpful, please like and share. Remember, you are not alone in fighting depression. There are great options, and here at Ventre Medical Associates, we can help you. Please call the number below. We have a great group of specialists that can guide you throughout this battle. Thank you.